Quite often, when a relationship starts to get dull and boring, it can be a signal that it will soon unravel and come to an end. Being in a boring relationship can be draining on a person, and it can often make you wonder why you are in it in the first place. Of course, you can expect a little boredom here and there, but when there is too much, it can be enough to make you wonder whether or not you would be better off without having that person in your life. Before you get too drastic in your thinking, be aware of the fact that you can make your relationship more interesting as long as you can get a little creative and be willing to work on it a little. If you feel like it is worth saving and salvaging, there are some things that you can do to bring back that edge that was there in the beginning. Bringing back the spice into your relationship is something that can be done, but you and your partner both need to be involved in doing this. If it's only you making the effort, then at some point you are going to feel like you are in it all on your own, and that's no fun, is it? Here's how to make a relationship more interesting. 1. Dig in deep and find out something about your partner that you did not already know and explore that side of them. Let's say that you find out that your partner always wanted to take a pottery class, and this was something that they never shared with you before. So, you hit the internet and search for local pottery classes and sign up yourselves up and start taking classes. Not only will this help you to get out the rut of doing the same old things together, but it gives you another dimension that you can explore about her or him. When you do things like this, you can make things more interesting and also strengthen the bond that the two of you have together. You are sharing each other's inner dreams and passions. 2. Make it a point to do more spontaneous activities together. Live in the moment with your partner. Your average person does not do a whole lot of spontaneous things, so I think it is safe to assume that this may be missing from your situation. What happens when everything is a routine and there is little spontaneity in a relationship? It becomes inevitable that it will be boring and need a little spicing up, right? Of course. The thing is, you have to make it a point to actively seek out doing spontaneous things and living in the moment together. This is another way that you can make your relationship more interesting and add some excitement in your life. 3. If your relationship is lacking excitement in the bedroom, then you know what you need to do. Having a fun and exciting sex life is a big part of a successful relationship. If there is no fun in the bedroom, chances are that other areas of the relationship are also going to suffer and get a little stale. When this is the case, then you know what you need to do. You need to add a little variety into your sex life, and you need to make sure that you are also hearing your partner's needs and wants when it comes to the way things happen in the bedroom as well.